If someone filed a lawsuit against you tomorrow, how protected are your assets really? Because a lot of people assume that won't happen to me until it does. Hi, I'm David Taylor from Twin Falls Estate Planning, and today I want to talk about some practical ways to protect what you've worked for from lawsuits and legal claims. First, you've got to understand this. Protection only works if you do it ahead of time. You can't wait until there's a problem and then try to fix it. By then, it's usually too late. One of the tools we use is an irrevocable trust. When assets are properly placed into that type of trust, they're no longer considered yours in the same way, which can help protect them from certain legal claims. If you own a business, this is another big one. You want to keep your business and personal assets separate. That's where entities like LLCs come in. If it's structured correctly, it can create a barrier between a business lawsuit and your personal estate. Insurance is also part of the conversation. An umbrella policy can add another layer of protection on top of your home and auto coverage. A lot of people overlook that. And then there's how assets are titled. Putting things jointly with children or others might seem simple, but it can expose your assets to their problems, their lawsuits, their creditors. The point is, this isn't just one strategy. It's a combination of things working together, and it needs to be done correctly. So, I invite you to come in and meet with us at Twin Falls Estate Planning or attend one of our seminars. Do what you need to do to put a plan in place before something happens. Most importantly, don't leave what you've built exposed. Let's make sure it's protected the right way.